Here's the truth. My clothes don't fit anymore. And my closet's a disaster. I'm gonna try all of my clothes on, and I'm probably gonna get rid of 75% of my closet because in the last 2 years, I put on a little bit of weight. Thank you, lockdown. And every time I come into my closet, I get so upset with myself because nothing fits. So I'm done letting my clothes bully me and make me feel bad about myself every time that I look at them. So the only rule for today is to only keep clothes that make me feel good and that fit and that I know that I can wear now, not next year, not in a few months. Okay, I lied. Another rule is to not cry. I'm gonna try really hard not to cry or get emotional or feel sorry for myself. Okay, 2 rules, that's it. If you watch my Make Your Closet Matter video, then you see that my closet looks really, really different. We don't have a mirror, we don't have anything up here anymore. It's just an absolute mess. We're moving soon, so we actually already started selling a few of our things. That's why it looks empty and sad and depressing in here. Then hopefully after we get rid of all these clothes, I will feel happy and it'll feel light and airy again, not like a disgusting mess. I love these jeans so much. This can be really sad if they don't fit, but I don't think they do. They're fitting like this right now. A smidge too tight. I just can't part ways. Moment of truth, my new pants. They're from Loft and they're very, very cute. When I bought them, they fit perfectly and they were beautiful, but that was also 2 years ago, so we'll see. That's so bad. That's really bad. It is so hard to say goodbye to things that you really love, like these jeans. I've had them for a really long time and they used to be my comfy pair, but we grow, we change, and we get hips. Okay, that's what I'm gonna tell myself. Comfy, loose things like this that like I can easily grow or shrink into and out of, 10 out of 10. If you have a round face or you don't really have sharp jawlines, I don't know if this is true or not, but I learned that V-necks are really, really good for that. It actually fits me better now than it did before, and I haven't tried on because I've been so scared that it was gonna fit and I don't want to cry about it again, you know? I feel amazing in this. Like before, it literally didn't fit me. Like my boobs would just flop out of it because it was just too loose. If you've been dreading trying stuff on because you don't want to feel sad about yourself in case you've changed at all, like do it, try it on, just get it over with. I think I'll feel better after this. I don't know, we'll see. Who the heck am I trying to fool with this? It doesn't even button. While I'm trying this on, I do have to say that I did give this 2 years before I started getting rid of my clothes. I wasn't buying anything because I knew that nothing fit and I kept thinking that I would go back to how it used to be, but it didn't. And it took me 2 years to finally be okay with that. But if you are kind of in a situation where you're like, okay, you know, like I don't feel healthy right now, this isn't where I'm gonna be, then I would definitely say like hold off, especially if you really, really love your clothes. I don't think you need to get rid of them. I don't think you have to. You will feel good and ready to let go when you finally are. You're not gonna have to force yourself to do it. It'll just feel right. Okay, so I am feeling a little sad right now because I feel like I'm getting rid of so much and it's really difficult because there are also a lot of memories attached to my clothes. It's just a little sad, a little hard to get rid of. All those clothes folded right there are clothes I'm gonna give to my sister who's going to college next year. Those are like party clothes and like young people clothes, but now that I'm 27, I'm like, I don't know, I feel like I should change it up. And it's just kind of sad to see like my fun young clothes go away. The cluttering videos are meant to be, I think, inspiring and fun and like make you want to do it. But I think it's also important to focus on how difficult it can be sometimes to get rid of things that you love or like that you've been so attached to for years. Like, yes, I've decluttered many, many times and I did feel so relieved after, and like, I didn't think twice about the clothes I got rid of, okay? Like, once they were gone out of my life, I forgot about them. That's really good to remember, but also know that it is hard. It's not just gonna be this super fun, exciting thing that you're doing. This is why I say it's important to try everything on. I didn't think this shirt was gonna fit at all, and it did. It fits perfectly. Like, I'm very comfortable in it. I got this dress at a thrift shop with my mom, and it is Danny Max Petite. And when I bought this, I thought it was the cutest thing in the world, and I thought I would wear it all the time. Let's see if it fits. I don't think this fits. This definitely does not fit anymore. I don't remember it being this short. That's bad. I'm exhausted. If you haven't already done this, get yourself a nice stretchy pair of jeans that you can wear while you're going through all your changes, because these are amazing. I got them at a thrift shop and look at this. They're so stretchy. Like, they're amazing and beautiful, and I think I literally paid $6 for them. It was incredible. Okay, I'm starting to freak out a little bit because I don't know if you can tell, but my closet is pretty freaking empty, okay? Might not look like it from that angle, but I have gotten rid of a lot of clothes and a lot of hangers and a lot of things that I used to love. So I'm just freaking out a little bit. I graduated college almost 4 years ago, so I've been an adult for quite some time now. When you're growing up, no one tells you the negative sides of being an adult. Like, you always think, okay, I'm gonna grow up, I'm gonna go to college, and I'm gonna do whatever I want. Then I'm gonna graduate finally and get paid for the work I do. Then you do that, and you're like, that was very unfulfilling, because working isn't everything, and working doesn't fix anything. You just realize that there's just different kinds of stresses and different things that you have to worry about that you didn't have to worry about when you were younger, and that your body's gonna change. Why is everything happening? Why do I know nothing? Why do I still feel 12 even though I'm 27? I'm sitting here with my pile of clothes that I'm gonna get rid of. It's important to remember that after this video ends and after we are done with this, decluttering and only having what you love and constantly thinking about what's making you happy and what's not, that is something that's an ongoing struggle, something that we have to think about all the time, because otherwise we're just gonna get stuck with things that we don't even like and that mean nothing to us. It's an ongoing thing. It doesn't just end here, and that's okay, and that's part of life, and we shouldn't just try to fix everything in one day, because that's not possible. I tried to fold everything, but then I just made a mess. But okay, so these are all my work clothes. My sister has an adult job, so I'm gonna give these to her, see if she wants them after I fold them. And these are for my other sister who's going to college, so she has like completely different life. And I don't really work in an office anymore, so these are just things that I'm gonna see if she wants. But these pants, and I'm having such a hard time parting ways with these pants because I really like them. And part of me is like, they could fit in the future. So maybe these wait around a little bit. Like, they're not gonna be up in my closet, but I'm just gonna put them away. I really do think I would regret getting rid of the pants, but I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna sort through all these clothes, and I'm just gonna give you a quick tour of what it looks like now. My drawers are spotless, let me show you. Like, just PJs and socks and undies. Yep, still wear prints sometimes, special. And then these are just short, like athletic shorts, denim shorts, and like 2 skirts. These are all my dresses. It seems like I have a lot, but I really don't, okay? I just have a few, and they're just really spread out. You can see the hangers. And then here, look at how many black tops I have. This is not okay. And then here's like other weird colors. These are just t-shirts, and I do hang my shirts because you saw how deep my drawers are. They're freaking tiny. And then I just have literally 3 white tops. And actually, okay, so my pants fit a lot better than I thought they would. Like, these are my stretchy ones, leggings. I have a lot of pants. I'm glad I tried them on, because I would have known that otherwise. I thought that nothing fit, so I'm glad I actually like took the time to do that. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and for going through this annoying, stressful journey with me. But I hope that you also get rid of things that you don't really like anymore, that don't fit you and don't make you happy, because I know I say that all the time, but it's like, if you're not happy and you don't like what you have, then what's the point? That is all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, be my friend. I'll see you next time. Bye.